Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to Spicy Kitchenary. In this video I'm making Koila chicken, that is also known as coal smoked chicken. For this recipe I'm using 2.5 lbs of chicken. All these spices I'm gonna add for marination. In a bowl I'm taking 2.5 lbs of chicken, adding 1.5 cups of yogurt, one teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, tikka masala 1 tablespoon, this is completely optional, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, you can add more if you like more sour taste, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, oil 1/3 cup. Mix it until all the spices are well combined. Let it rest for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Take a pan, add your marinated chicken in it. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, uncover it and cook it well until all the water dries up. As you can see, oil is separated. Cook it for a few minutes. I'm adding 1 large onion, cut it into thick slices. Then add green pepper or capsicum 1 large, cut it into thick slices too. Then add garlic powder 1 tablespoon, ginger powder 1 tablespoon. Mix it and then cover it with a lid for 5 minutes, not more than that. Here I am using aluminum foil for my coal placement. Burn your coal on stove for 2 to 3 minutes or until it's red. Then add it on aluminum foil. Add a little bit of oil on top and then cover it. Leave it covered for 2 to 3 minutes. Take the coal out and chicken is ready to be served. I hope you all like it. Let me know how it goes in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.